Welcome to this Excel tutorial brought to you by the Global Institute of Quantity Surveying. In this video, you'll learn how to fill in blank drawing numbers using a quick and professional method in Excel, perfect for BOQ or MEP duct quantity sheets like the one you see here. Step 1. First, select the entire drawing number column. Just click and drag over the cells that have gaps between the drawing numbers. Step 2. Next, press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. This will open the Go to Special tool in the Go to window. Click Special at the bottom. In the pop-up window, choose Blanks and click OK. Now, Excel will highlight only the blank cells in that column. Step 3. Without clicking anywhere else, type = in the cell C14. Then press the up arrow key once to reference the cell above. Now press Ctrl+Enter to apply the formula to all selected cells at once. Step 4. All your blank cells are now filled with the correct drawing number from above. To convert them from formulas to static values, copy the entire column. Right-click and choose Paste Special Values. That's it. Your drawing numbers are now neatly filled and ready to use. This method is simple, reliable, and ideal for quantity surveyors working with large data tables. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more professional Excel tips.